Thanks for checking us out, Lost Mines. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's go and look for a mine.
We're going to be seeing if there's any more treasures down there waiting for us.
Yeah, we can fully charge batteries. Off we go.
Once more into the breach.
What an amazing level. What's there? There's something there, look. Circular thing.
Oh yeah,
it?
yeah.
I wonder what that is. Let's creep up on it.
So we got there's a compressed air pipe on the top left right now. We've got the tracks for the skipway in the middle, and a boarded off manway on the right hand side there. A nice 3 compartment shaft winds, which is following the underlie of the load downwards. So it's a lead mine, mainly lead and zinc. That's what they were going after.
We'll try and go beyond the boards this time.
Yeah, we want to see if we can get to the bottom of this skipway.
I think it did go beyond.
Yeah, should we go down there first?
We'll go down there. Here we go, past the platform.
There we are.
That's where the wagons are on the left.
That's where I fell in love last week.
Yes.
Love at first sight.
It was amazing. Your reaction was awesome, by the way. Right, here's the boards.
Okay, right, so what's going on?
So I wonder if I can go down.
Go around them, perhaps, to the left? Because the tracks, can you look down? The tracks seem to go under the boards. Can you look straight down before you go round?
Okay.
Yeah, they go
do,
under.
yeah,
okay,
look.
right.
So we're going to have a peek in here, look.
Oh, right,
and there's
yeah.
a platform there, solid platform.
Okay.
So we can't do that. So are we going to brave it?
Let's go over the top.
Let's take some ROVing, that's good.
Yeah. Al's at the controls. I'm the winch boy.
You get the blame for losing. Nope, it's stuck.
Yeah. Oh, what about round that side?
Why did it get stuck? Where's the cable? You got enough cable now?
Yeah, I got bags of cable, yeah.
So let's turn it round.
How about over there?
What's that there? What is that?
No idea.
Oh yeah.
Over there?
Go off a bit. Look down.
Ah, down there.
Now then.
Into uncharted territory.
Totally. Look.
Does the skipway carry on? Ooh, no, it doesn't.
It doesn't, no.
Can we look up underneath the skipway?
Give it a go.
Oh, that's it. It's just there. Wow.
There it is.
That's the bottom.
It's not worth the risk going down there. But that is the bottom there. You can see it right there. Look.
So
That's the end.
there's the historical records. There's 2 more levels down there below the bottom of the skipway. If it's safe, we can try going down and get to the 15 fathom level.
Well,
If it's safe to go down.
What's that? That's a compressed pipe.
Oh yeah. Is that a collapse? It's all filled with sludge.
It is.
Ah, so it is. So there's no way further down. It's completely filled with sludge.
Yeah.
Well, that answers that question.
Let's go and look at the wagons.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do.
Where's the cable?
So we're going to find our way back.
Ah, it's up there.
There we go.
Let me pull it in a bit.
There we go. Quickly, quickly. Ladder. Look, look, look.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Very tight. Bouncing off the roof. How about that? We're back in the skip.
Hey, there it is.
Pretty good. Now then. Okay, that's that cable landed.
Wow, there they are, look.
Look at the wagons, folks. Look at that.
Look at those.
Let's see if there's anything in them. Rise up and go. Point it down. Go up as a pipe or something. Anyway, let's head on down this level.
Yeah. Let me put the phone.
Let's go down. Let's go down.
Behind the
That's an issue there, probably.
Mm-hmm.
Cables getting caught. They won't get stuck like
Mm.
that. Get stuck going forward.
Yeah. Wow, look at the level. Nice compressed air pipe.
Stack of timbers there, look.
Yeah. Tracks on the floor.
Yeah.
So which way are we going? We went down and we turned left, right? So we're yeah, that's it, yeah. What's those on the right? There's something on the...
False floor.
Oh, yeah.
Or a stall or something.
Yeah. There's something on the floor on the right. Oh, just deads. Yeah.
Dead, yeah, they're dead.
Yeah. I got the compressed air main running along as well.
It's going to be awesome how we've done some more wagons.
Oh.
What's this coming
What's
up?
that? Copper?
What is that?
Big lump of blue copper.
How about that?
Whoa! Look at that! Look at the...
green.
You know, I don't know. Oh, hang on. It's not rubbish, is it?
It is, you know.
What happens if you go close to them? Is it old rubbish? Is it plastic bags? Or...
It is.
Huh. How about
How
that?
did that get there?
How in the world did that get there? Carry on.
Dolls, look.
Oh, wow.
Where would that have come down if you think from above?
The little hole?
Why?
So I was wondering if it was old rubbish, but it's not if it's plastic. Ore chute.
Yes.
Oh, look at the ore chutes. Whoa. Nice. So look at the... That's where they would have shot the ore down into those wagons. They would have parked those wagons underneath there.
Yep.
And then slid the stuff down from the stall into the wagons. We've got a bridge on the right.
Got something going on there, look.
Yeah.
What's
What's
all these?
all that?
Yeah. It's getting a mishmash of metals and
It is.
timbers here.
Carries on.
What's this? What's this? That's railway tracks.
Yeah.
You take the cables?
Yeah, it is, yeah. Feel it fully. Pipes are on the floor now.
Come on.
Oh, another ore chute.
Yes.
Wow.
That's on the to the right of us.
Yeah.
Still.
Yeah.
Some serious workings now. Look,
God.
they've used an old windlass piece of timber there. That's the bracket.
Oh, yeah, they have, haven't they? Yeah. Yeah.
That there.
Wow. There's something hanging on it as well. So we can get into this level to go further through the other hole, can't we?
Yeah, it's stopped now.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, no, that was just me. I'm not quick enough.
And look. What's that?
Oh, another ore chute.
Right above us.
There's another ore chute coming straight down. Wow. Gee whiz.
Not that's dusty behind me.
Wow, the level keeps going.
Yeah.
And we're out of the stoping now. We're in a proper level.
Proper level.
Wow, look at that.
Some timbers on the floor.
Yeah.
I know. Something to the right.
Something-
It's a shovel or something, is it?
Yeah, it looks like there's something there.
Now it's that's it. The end of our tether.
Got lots more cable.
What is that? Oh, it's not.
Looks like a shotgun. It's a miner's shotgun. Oh yeah.
It's not going any more forward.
That was me again, sorry.
All right. Oh, you haven't got any slack.
It's the amateur cable guy. So there's a bit of a collapse on the floor. There it goes.
That's dead end.
Ah, is that the end? Let's go to the end, just so that we've been there. That looks like the end. Which makes sense because the stopes end. So they've followed the load onwards a bit more, and if it didn't get any better, they've just stopped.
That's what they've done.
And that's the end of the level.
There you go, folks. How
Wow.
now,
Let's go the other way.
let's go the
We are not done yet. No.
Pull it in by hand.
Can I, does it matter if I just bunch it up on top here?
That's it. Just pull it by hand because you've got to release it back out again. This is proper tricky driving, by the way.
Yeah. Can you see the cable?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay.
So I'm mooch about here now. So
Yeah, have a look. Yeah.
Oh,
Ah, there's the cable.
what's going on now? Here it is, cable.
Oh, great.
We've done this again.
It's playing silly buggers there. Oh, it's that little bracket on the roof, look.
Yeah. We'll go forward. Turn it round. So I can pull it now. Go.
Tight.
You can see the speed, you see?
Oh, yeah.